Hi, here we will be testing the layout and placement of the buttons. Just click on the link to get started. We want to make sure that the layout and the buttons feels natural. The flow throughout the app, the pop-ups, the information that you see, where you need to click next, the guiding blue boxes, the arrows, the fields, the information here, all of it should feel natural and should feel in place. Please remember to go back to the Google form sheet and write I like, I wish, what if regarding the layout for each of the screens that you need to test. Thank you very much.